Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, welcome to CAD application class. Today, let's try to draw this coupling, what you see on the screen. So here you see the front view and top view. It is hollow inside. You can see there are dotted lines over here. And then you have got one flange at the top, another flange at the bottom, and you have got a circular cylindrical portion in the middle. Okay. So today we will learn two new commands over here. One command is revolve. Okay. So first let's try to open SolidWorks. So I will go open a new file. I will open a new file. I will open a new part. I will just open it. So here what I will do is I will only create this portion. I will only create this portion this much, and then I will revolve it to produce the whole stuff. Okay, you can see it. It is very easy actually. Now let's go sketch. We will select smart sketch. Any plane you can select. Let's select different plane. Different plane is selected. Now let me go draw the line command, use the line command, open it here. From here I will just draw a straight line. Let it be horizontal, be a bit careful. I have drawn a line, then I will go up, then come horizontal, then again go up, then the top flange is a bit smaller one, so I just go here, come here, then I will come and close. Okay. After closing this I will escape, finish. So now it is all done. Now I need to only make the dimensioning. Let's see what are the dimensions here. What is this height here? 0.44. This height is 0.30. This is 2.50. Okay, so let's do that. Smart dimension. From here to here it is 0.44. Take, then click OK. Then another smart dimension between this point and this line. This is how much? This is 2.50. 2.50. Enter. And then this dimension from here to here it is 0.3. Enter. Then mark. Now I need the thickness of this one and the diameters. Let us see now what are the diameters. So what is this total diameter? 4.76. I need half of it, and this is 3.5. Okay, this is how much? 4.76 divided by 2. I can just smart dimension between this point and this line. Type 4.76 slash 2. You see here, you can divide it here itself. It will work with the calculator also. Okay, and then on top what I have got, again let me just go here and cross check it. 3.5. 3.5 divided by 2. Let me go here, so click it, and then smart dimension between this line and this line. This is 3.5. Sorry, let me just put it inside itself. 3.5 divided by 2. Enter, and then say OK. So now I have it over here. So now let me just make it a little big. I can shift this one up, no problem. I can bring it and put it here. Say OK. Now what else I need? I need this length, is it not? What is this length? This length is present here. See, 1.74 is there. So let me just go one dimension between this and this. This is 1.74 divided by 2 slash 2. Okay. Yeah, okay. So now this is also done. Now see here, what is this one? R.1 is there. There is a fillet here. R.1. So let me go here. Where is fillet? Fillet command is here. Let's select fillet. Here put 0.1 between this and this. Between this and this. Okay. Click OK. So now what you have got? You have already completely defined your sketch. Okay. So now let's go to features. As soon as you go to features, before you used to use extruded boss base. Now see here, you have got swept boss base command is there. Okay. And then revolved boss base is there. I am going to use this one, revolve boss base. See here, I will select this, revolve boss base. I will just go here, and then what he is asking me, 360 degrees. You can see on the left side, I can revolve it for complete 360 degrees. What is the axis? I have to select the axis. I will just go, it is highlighted here, blue color. Okay. Now I just go select the axis here. The moment I select the axis, it has already rotated completely. It has swept across and revolved across and made a complete revolution, 360. If I want 180, I can make 180. See here, if I change the angle to 180, enter, see it will only make half. I can even change the direction the other way. See here, if I want 360 degree completely, 360, 360 it will completely do. Sorry, let me do it 360. See, it is there. Say okay. Now see, your complete job is done now. So now what I have to do now, I have to create holes in this top flange. I have to create holes in the bottom flange, and then inside I have to create a complete hole, isn't it? So now what I will do now, I will just press space bar. As soon as you press space bar, see, you come over here, click here, you are in the front view. So I am in the front view. Now you can see the planes here. See, front plane, top plane, side plane, everything is there. Let me click on the front plane. The moment I click on the front plane, what I have got, I can do the sketch on the front plane. Okay, so let me go to do the sketch on the front plane. So from where, what sketch I need to do, just go back here. Let's make it little big. Let's make it little big. Hello? Yes? Now you can see over here, I have to create this portion here. Do you see here? These are the dash, 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 dash lines. Okay, so what I will do now, first I will just go, I will create line. I will take line command from where? From here I will start, go up straight up to this point, then come like this, then here, then come down, then here, then come down, then close it. Okay, escape. So it should be horizontal and make it horizontal, and then click on this right one. Everything is done now. So now you have something created over here. So now let's try to make the dimensions for that one. What are the dimensions here? Now on the top you can see this is 1.2 divided by 2. This is 1. 1.21. Okay, so let me just go here. It's one dimension between this line and this point. How much is this? It should be 1.2 divided by 2. Automatically it will take. Okay. So okay, now again go between this line and this line. This is how much? This is 1 divided by 2. You have it done. Okay. So now what else is there? this angle is there. Just see here how much he gives me the angle. Here he gives me the angle as 45. You can see the angle is 45, and then the bottom one is how much? 1.364. Let me just do that. Smart dimension between this and this is 1.364 divided by 2. Okay, 0.68. Will say okay. Fine. So then what else is there? I need to fix this angle, right? So let me just go to the smart dimensions between this line and this line. Just move up like this. See here. Now it is catching to the center. Let me just make it little big. I will escape. Let us make it big. Now I will make dimension between this line and this line. See, I go here up like this. Click here. Put 45. Enter. See, it automatically fixed the size. Okay, so only one thing is left here. This one. Smart dimension between this line and this line. This is how much? This is 0.6. Enter. Okay, click. Now see, your sketch is completely defined. Okay, so now what I want to do now, let me go to features. If I go to features, you can see here there is something. See, revolved cut is there. Okay, I will select revolved cut. Then it is asking me which one. I just go here on the left side, select the axis. Just see here, the moment I click on the axis, it has already done it. See here, do you see yellow lines over here? I will say yes on the left side. It is done. Just move the wheel and just see here in the bottom front, it has already done your job. See here, it is already there. Okay, just leave it at this. Give space bar. Now you are here. So this is the back view, which is the front view. This is the front view. Is it? Now click on this one. So it automatically rotates. Now you are in the front view. So you are already made a hole inside. So what is our next job now? Our next job is to create these holes. See, these holes are there. What he says, 6 holes. Diameter is 0.368. Equal spacing on a circle of diameter 3.86. Okay, first of all, this is where this is in the bottom flange. This is in the bottom flange. So let's go to bottom flange. Just move the center wheel, press it, turn it. So click on this face. It becomes blue. Select here. It has been selected now. Again, click on that one. See, sketch. You have one more sketch here. This is for extruded part. This is for your picture. See now, you have here this center. I will just go draw a circle from here like this. I will draw a circle. Enter. Okay. So now what I have to do now, I need the diameter of this circle. Just click on this circle. First, let's make smart dimension. Click on this one. What is the diameter? Diameter is 3.86. 3.86. 3.86 is the diameter. Okay. Now, say yes, you have selected. Again, select this circle. This circle, I want it as what? For construction. See on the left side, I am using it for construction. So it becomes dash dot like this. So this will be used only for construction purpose. Now click right mark. So now you have this circle. So what is my next job? To draw circles now. Circle, where I will take at this quadrant, just draw one circle here like this. Click OK. Now I have this circle. So it's still blue. See here, because I need to fix the dimensions. Go here. It is 0.368. How many pieces I want? 6 pieces. Is it not? Let me go back. Smart dimension. Click here. 0.368. Say OK. But it is giving me 0.37. It has rounded it off. So it is precision is only up to 2 degrees. Okay, I mean up to 2 decimal points. So how to fix this problem? First, anyway, click OK. Now it is done. Okay, so now I have to go where? I have to go to I will go to it later. First, let it be there. Let me finish this one. So now what I have to do now? I will just go to features. In the features, what I will do? I will just make a hole first. Okay. Extruded cut. See here. I will use extruded cut. Just move up like this. See how it is cutting? It is cutting straight like this. It is going and maybe cutting the face also. Be careful. So just go and do up to next. Up to next means it only cuts there. Click. Now see, already you have a hole there. Understand? You have already a hole. So what I need now, there is a front plane. This is my front plane. Okay. So what I need to rotate these holes to create how many? I need to rotate it to create 6 holes. Is it not? So to make an array, polar array, I need an axis. First of all, let us define an axis. How to create an axis? Just see here, reference geometry. If you click on reference geometry, you have an axis. Correct? Click on the axis. The moment you click on the axis, on the left side, you can see one line, edge, axis, two planes, okay, and 2 point vertices. So many things are there. I will select one line axis. Just come here, click on the surface. See, there is an axis. Okay, so now the axis is there with me. Say okay. Now I have the axis. Now make it little this. Now what I will do? I will go to linear pattern. Open it. When you open it, you will see circular pattern. Click on the circular pattern. Okay. How many pieces you want? You want 6 pieces. Go click here and make it 6 on the left side. Just see that 6 here. 6 I made it. Okay. Now what are the features? See what he is telling. He is telling features. Is it not? Features and faces. What you want to rotate? See here. This one. Click on this one. See, when I click on this one, the whole cylinder is selected. You don't take only circle. If you take circle, it only rotates circle. Go here like this. Click. See? So it has made how many? At an angle of 50 degrees, it has made. So go here and make equal spacing. If you click on the left side, see here, left side, if you click equal spacing, it has done completely. Okay. Now you have got 6 holes. Say yes. Now see there, you can very clearly see there are 6 holes with us. Okay. So now similarly, in the same way, I need to do for the top portion also. Okay. Now you saw there when I made the hole, it was 0.368, but it was showing me 0.37. Is it not? How to fix that problem? Do you see the circle here? Open this one, options. When you open options, go to document properties, go to dimensions. Now see here it is 0.12, is it not? Just go make it 0.123 and up to third decimal. Okay. See, all right. Fine. So now when you print it, when you do the dimensioning, it will show 0.368 completely. Now let's go to the top portion. Just move it like this, select the top portion, make it normal, and then again click it, select this one, sketch. Don't select this, select this, select sketch. Okay. Now on this one, first let's draw a circle. Where is the circle? From here, I will just draw a circle like this. Click tick mark. Now let's go and see what dimension of that one. See here what he says. 4 holes, diameter 0.41, equal spacing on a circle of 2.62. Okay, 2.62. And then he says indicated X top plane only. Wherever you have got X, it is on top plane. Okay, and the other 4 circles also indicated Y on top plane only. What is the diameter? 2.62. Just go back, small dimension, select one this circle, make it 2.62. Now click OK. Now what else I need? I will select this. Now go here for construction. You make it. Click OK. Okay. So 2.620 I have got. Now what I have to do now, I have to create holes. Let's create holes now. Let's go here. You have this holes. This is 0.44. Okay. And then this is 0.41. And you have two different size holes. You create a hole here, then at an angle of 45 degree, create another hole. Okay. This is 0.44, that is 0.41. Now let me just go here, circle, click here, make it, click here, smart dimension, diameter is how much? 0.44, enter, click, okay, mark, and then I need another circle. I will make another circle somewhere over here like this. Well, don't worry about it, okay, because we can always pull it back. What is it? Smart dimension. The smart dimension is 0.41. Enter. Click OK. Now see, take this center. Still it is blue because it is not defined. This point, shift this circle. Okay. Make them coincident. Understand? See, they came. Click OK. Now see. Now you have got, but still it is not defined. On this one, you can move the circle in any direction. See here, I can move it like this. Any direction, I can move the circle. Now I will define, because he has got the angle. I will select this point, and this point. See this angle. This angle, how much I will keep? This angle I will keep as 45 degrees. Now see that circle became black. So now the circle is completely defined. So now you have got these two circles. What I will do now, I will go to features. I have to do extruded cut. Okay, I will not do blind, I will do up to next. See, I will turn like this. See, it is doing like this. If I make it blind, what will happen? It will straight away go down. See, fully. It will go and make the holes in the bottom also. I will only make up to next. And then click tick mark. See, now I have got these two holes. Okay, Shava. Now what I need to do, I need to rotate this holes, is it not? How many holes I need now? 4 each. 4 each. Okay, so I will go back, go to linear pattern, open it, you will find circular pattern, right? So now how many pieces I need? Just please make it 4 here. 4, enter. Now what are the surfaces, what are the things I need to make? You can see here. See, I will click on this one. I have to select the, sorry, it took the face. Let me cancel it. Let me redo it, please. Linear pattern, open it, circular pattern. So what I need to select the axis, axis is here, see, and make the faces as how much? 4. Okay, see, it has already made. So now you have 4 here, 0.41 and then 0.44, then again this one, you have the complete coupling, and then you have got the center hole done. Press enter. So now let me take the front face. I am here. Now you want to see the section how it is, just go click here. Okay, here you want to make the section, you can do it, just go see, perfectly done. See, you want to increase it, decrease it, any direction you want, you can move around. All these things you will learn later, but for now just to show you that we have done a correct job. Okay, enter. Where it is your front face, click it. So you have it over here. This is your sketch. See, we have done. Yeah, this is one command, right? So 2 commands you learned now. That is, you learned now revolved, boss base you learned, and then you learned revolved cut. See, this command and this command, these 2 commands you learned over here. Okay, and there is something extra which you need to learn. Okay, now let's go back to the picture. You see the picture here, what you see? You see a hole here, is it not? You see a hole here, it is like this. See, it is like this, and there is a through hole in the middle, isn't it? So now, first of all, let's try to draw this one. Let's try to draw this one. What is this diameter? This diameter is 0.74. Okay, and he has given me the height also. That's not a big deal. But now I have a problem. There I need to draw it. I need to draw it on this plane. On this plane. Whatever drawings you do, you always do the sketching on the plane, and then from the plane you try to extrude, cut, all these things we do. So now I need to create a plane. Okay, so how to create a plane? Just go back here. Keep yourself on the front plane. Understand? Keep on the front plane. Now here you go, reference geometry, open it. You see, you created an axis, is it? Now I will create a plane. I will put a plane here. The moment I put a plane here, see, there is a plane coming over here. See, front plane. How much is the distance? Let me just open it up and see here. What is this distance? From the center, it is how much? 1. It is mentioned over here. See, 1. So we will go back. I will just type it as 1. Understand? 1.0. Okay. See, now I have a plane here. This plane is at a distance of 1. See here, I'll just move like this. See, I've got a plane at a distance of 1. I will say okay. I have said okay, means I have created a plane here. Now I will press enter space bar, select the front face. This is my front face. This is my front face. So this is plane number 1. See, in the bottom on the left side, see, you have got a plane 1, it is mentioned. So the moment I click on that one, whatever drawing I do, I will be doing on plane 1. Now I will go to sketch. I will draw a circle. Where I will draw a circle? I will draw a circle here. Okay, I will draw a circle. Click OK. Now I need to fix the dimensions for the circles. Let's do it. So what are the dimensions? So from the bottom, what is the height of the center? 1.24, and then the diameter is 0.74. What dimensions? This is how much? 0.74. Enter. Okay, and then dimension from where? From here to the center. This is how much? This is 1.24. Enter. Click find done. See, the circle is completely defined. I need to only make sure that they are in the same vertical line. Click on this one, shift, click on this one, okay, and make sure they are vertical. Okay, yes, they are vertical. Fine. Done. So now I have got a circle. I'll just move around with the cursor. See, where is the circle drawn? The circle is drawn on this plane, front plane. Okay. Now what I will do? I will just go to features. What I have to do? Extruded boss base. Okay, extruded boss base. See, when I click on this one, where it is doing? It is doing on this side. So what I will do? I will change the direction. It is going ala tool inside. I don't want that. I will just say up to next. Up to next. See there? It just went and did up to the surface. I will say okay. Now see, beautifully it has been drawn. You can see there. You can see it is completely drawn. It has gone and touched the surface perfectly. Okay. Click enter space bar. Then again select from here so that you are here. So now you have done this job. So what is my next job? My next job is again to make a small hole inside. See here, I have to make a small hole up to what surface? Up to this surface. I have to go inside, is it not? So what is the diameter of this hole? 0.188. Okay, I'll just go here. Again, I'll just keep myself on plane number 1. Okay, plane number 1. I will just go to sketch. Another circle from which point? Draw anywhere. No problem. Click OK. What is the diameter? The diameter is 0.188. Smart dimension. Zero point 0.188. Okay. Click OK. Now select the center of this. Shift the center of, or what I can do is click this circle. Okay. Shift, click this circle, make them coincident. See, just come here inside. So now you have this one. So what I need to do? I need to make a hole, is it not? See there? I need to make a hole. So how I will do the hole? I will just go features. Now extruded cut. See, it is going where it is going all through. Okay, I don't want it to go up to that one. I want it to go only up to this surface, is it not? I will simply say up to surface. See, up to surface where it is doing. Is it doing? No, it is not doing. Let me just which surface? See, I have to select the surface. Up to which surface? I just come here. I select this surface. See. When I select this surface, see the color is what? Pink color, is it not? So pink color, see there is a hole here. It has come all the way up to this surface, understand? And possibly in this case, it may be even up to next. Let us just see, if I say up to next, also it will come because that was a solid piece. It was a solid piece, it came up to next. Okay, see there? You can see yellow line, is it not? There is a hole. Okay, click. Now see here, you have done a job perfectly well. There is a hole there. Escape. Now let us go back to the. So this is back. This is left side. Let me just keep it this way. Now what I will do, I will make a cut section. You can just see it. Right. Just make the cut section. Where you want to make the cut section? Sorry, let me cancel it. Okay. Where is my axis? On this plane. Okay. On this plane, I will make a cut section. See there? You see the hole, right? You see the hole there. The hole is done. Everything is perfectly all right. It was like this. Enter which is the face I want. Front face, isn't it? This is the front face. Everything is done perfectly okay, right? So the next step is what? We have to save it and then we have to create drawings out of this one. Okay. Inshallah, we will do it in the next class. Thank you for watching. This is